If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel but you have no idea of what niche to choose, listen to this. There are some niches that naturally attract a lot of curiosity and can help you grow a new channel fast. But let me say this to you. As a beginner, no niche can guarantee you will get monetized in 30 days. No this and no peace. No niche can guarantee that you can get monetized in 30 days. Your result depends on your consistency, your content, audience retention, and how well you package your videos, how you make your videos to look, how attractive it is to viewers. So here are the top 3 niches you should consider trying if you are new to YouTube. The first one is movie recap. I know a lot of us must have seen some movie recaps online. If you make a deep research about those channels, you will notice most of those channels attract lots of audience. They attract lots of people. If you check them, they have billions of views. People love stories. That's why movie related content can get a lot of attention. You can create videos explaining interesting movies, breaking down storylines, and explaining confusing endings. Okay, let's say for an example, you can use this title: the movie has the craziest ending you won't expect. That kind of title immediately creates curiosity. Like anyone that saw that kind of title, the movie has the craziest ending you won't expect, they are already curious. They want to know what happened in that movie. So but don't just upload movie clips and expect YouTube to monetize you. That one is another very big issue. Copyright is a very big issue. It's a very big issue. Your content needs to be original, such as maybe creating your own narration, commentary, storytelling, and editing. So if you love movies and you are good at telling stories, this could be something worth exploring. It's something you should give a try. Number 2 is storytelling and documentary content. Actually, this is one of my favorites actually, because you have so many topics to talk about. You can talk about historical events, successful people, mysterious events, businesses, real life stories, things people don't even know about. The key is your storytelling. Like, how do you tell your story? You don't just create boring videos. You have to make it lively, something that people can relate with immediately they start watching. Don't start your videos with something like, today we are going to talk about. Instead, great curiosity. Okay, let's use this example. Put the title like, he lost everything but one decision completely changed his life. Now the viewers want to know what actually happened. Like, they want to know that one decision that changed the life of that person. And the good thing is that you don't necessarily have to show your face. You can use your voice, visuals, editing to tell the story. So if you enjoy researching and explaining things, this niche could be a great option. The third one is ranking videos. You have probably seen videos like top 5 richest rappers, top 10 richest men in the country. Okay, let's say in the world, top 10 richest men in the world, 7 AI tools you can use to make your videos go viral. Or should I say top 5 musicians you should follow. People love ranking videos because they create curiosity. They want to know what number 1 is. And you can make ranking content about anything: technologies, celebrity, countries, food, businesses, AI tools, lifestyle. The possibilities are endless. You can create both short and long form videos from this type of content. But remember, this niche alone won't make your video go viral. Your title, thumbnail, hook, and content all matters. So which niche you should choose? So which one you should start with? Honestly, choose the one you can consistently create. Yes, something you can consistently create is something you love to do. If you love movies, try movie storytelling. If you enjoy researching real life events, try documentaries. If you love comparing different things, Try ranking videos. Don't choose simple niches because someone told you to. It's not going to make you rich quickly. YouTube takes time. Your first video might get no views. That's completely normal. Your first videos might get no views. It's completely normal. Use those early videos to learn how to make better thumbnails, learn how to write better hooks, learn what your audience enjoys, and most importantly, don't keep changing your niche every few days. I'm also guilty of this. I've been doing this lately, but right now I think I have a niche that I want to work on. So give yourself time to grow. And if you are serious about starting and growing your YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing more tips to help you grow as a to help you grow as a content creator and grow your channel. I'm also growing like you. If you want more tips, check out my other videos on my channel. I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.